fractions and decimal, and in this video we will solve some questions. So first one is we have to evaluate. So number 1, we have to solve this one. So what we will do, there is nothing given below 7, that means we have to consider 1. We will multiply numerator and then denominator into denominator. So 7 into 3 is 21 by 5 into 1 is 5. As you can see, this is converted in improper fraction. So if you want, you can change it in the mixed fraction. Number 2 is 3 whole 2 by 5 into 8. So first of all, we will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How we will do? 5 into 3 is 15 plus 2, it is 17. So it will be 17 by 5 into 8. There is nothing below 8, so we will consider 1. Then we will multiply 17 into 8, that is 136, by 5 into 1, 5. Number 3, 5 by 8 of 9 whole 2 by 3. So first work is to convert of into multiply and change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So we will write 5 by 8 into 9 3 is 27 plus 2, 29 by 3. So 5 into 29 will be 145 by 8 into 3 is 24. Number 4, it is given 2 whole 1 by 3 into 5 whole 4 by 21. So we will change both into improper fraction first. So 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 into 21 into 5 plus 4, that means 109 by 21. Now we will multiply 7 into 109, or if we see if any number is being getting deducted or not. So it will be 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. So what we will get? 109 by 3, or 3 into 3, that means 9. Number 5, the question is 3 whole 1 by 6 into 7 whole 4 by 23. Same, we have to convert it in improper fraction. So 6 3 is 18 plus 1, 19 by 6 into 23 into 7 plus 4 is 165 by 23. So we can deduct this like 3 to just 6 and 355 is 165. Now nothing will get deducted. So what we will do? We'll multiply 19 into 55. That means it will be 1045 by 23 into 2. It will be 46. Now I am saying again, if you want, you can change it in mixed fraction. Number 6, it is 4 whole 1 by 2 times of 5 whole 1 by 2 meters, or you can say 4.5 times of 5.5 meters. What we will do? 4 1 by 2 into 5 whole 1 by 2, or we can write 9 by 2 into 11 by 2. Nothing will get deducted. Okay, so we will write 99 by 4. It will be our answer. If the speed of a car is 105 whole 1 by 5 kilometer per hour, so find the distance covered by it in 3 whole 3 by 5 hours. So what is given here? Speed is given. How much? 105 whole 1 by 5 kilometer per hour. First work is to convert it in proper fraction. So 105 into 5 is 525 plus 1 is 526 by 5 kilometer per hour. And second, time is given, that is 3 whole 3 by 5 hour. So 5 3 15 16 17 18 by 5 hour. Now we know the formula of distance is equal to speed into time. So what we will do, we will just multiply it like 526 by 5 into 18 by 5. So when you will solve it, you will get the answer 378 whole 18 by 25 kilometer. This will be our answer. An ornament is made of gold and copper and weighs 52 grams. If 2 by 13 of its part is copper, find the weight of pure gold in it. So what we will do, the total weight of gold and copper is given 52 grams. Okay, and out of which part of copper is given 2 by 13th. So then the weight of copper in the mixture is 2 by 13 into 52, that means 8 grams. Okay, that means out of mixture of gold and copper 52 grams, 8 gram is copper. So obviously the remaining part is of gold. So weight of gold is 52 minus 8 grams, that means 44 grams. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12.5 centimeter long and 10 whole 2 by 3 centimeter wide. So we have to find perimeter and area. So here length is given 12 whole 1 by 2 centimeter, that means it will be 25 by 2 centimeter, and breadth is given 10 whole 2 by 3 centimeter, that means it will be 32 by 3 centimeter. So in first part we have to find perimeter. We know the formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So just put the value. It will be 25 by 2 plus 32 by 3, or it will be 75 plus 64 by 6, that means 139 by 3 now centimeter. If you want, you can change it in the mixed fraction. In second part we have to find area. The area of rectangle is length into breadth, that means length is 25 by 2 centimeter and breadth is 32 by 3 centimeter. If you want, you can deduct it. Okay, now if you multiply, it will be 400 by 3, or if you want to change it in mixed fraction, like it will be 133 whole 1 by 3 centimeter square. In an orchard, 1 by 5 are orange trees, 3 by 13 are mango trees, and rest are banana trees. So if the banana trees are 148 in numbers, so find the total number of trees in orchard. So what we will do, so let the total number of trees, the total trees in orchard be x. Okay, so it is given that the total number of banana trees is 148, and also 1/5 are the orange tree, and 3 by 13 are the mango trees. So we will write one equation like part of banana tree, that means the part of banana tree is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 13, or it will be 1 minus 13 plus 15 by 65, or 1 minus 28 by 65, or it will be 37 by 65. Okay, now this is the part of banana tree, and this is equal to the total number of banana trees, that is 148. So what we will do, we can write the total number of trees, the total trees equal to 37 by 65 x equal to 148, or x is equal to 148 into 65 by 37. When you will solve it, you will get the answer 260. Okay, that means there are total 260 trees in the orchard. So I hope this video is clear to you. Practice for the questions solved in this video. Thank you.